Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am giving you a short tutorial on how I wash my brushes. I use the Solid Beauty Blender soap that I use for my brushes. I bought it from Sephora. It was for like 20 bucks and it's easier than ever to wash your brushes. I got this set of brushes from Outlook online. It was 20 bucks and they had like a promotion going on. I don't know if it's still going on right now, but you can check it out. Um, to start, I always run water. I make sure the water is warm to the touch, not hot, not cold. Because actually, I found out that it washes better if your water is warm and not cold. So I'm just trying to test the water here. And when you get the right temperature that's good enough for you, it's not too hot, not too cold, what you do is you wet your brush, you put it under the water, and you run the soap. You get a little bit of soap on your brush. So I'm wetting the brush here just a little bit so I get all the fibers wet. I get into the solid and I wash it, and you can obviously see all of my gunk, not really gunk, but my makeup product on it. And you use the little scrubber they give to you. Oops, that fell over. And you just scrub on that, and usually it helps you go deep into the center of the brush. And once you're doing that, a couple of swishes on that thing, and you're able to clean your brush properly. And you go ahead and you rinse it, and that's it. And you do that for all your brushes, and that's it. That's one brush down, and 20 more to go. Yeah. Yeah. Here I'm trying to get this. Got this little tissue paper trick that I got saw online. I think from was Manny MUA, and it was like saying that you can use this to like dry your brushes and also keep it cheap. I was gonna use this, but it took me forever and I'm lazy. So yeah. All right. Go ahead. Keep watching and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.